We gonna fix this Sunday morning.
Okay.
Y'all look at me.
I got that one over there. I'm gonna get this one. So one light, one set less.
Shopping with them because it's calling for snow where we live, so we gotta get prepared for the snow. So we getting this canned food.
I get the wind to come.
So if the power go out, we got some food that we can just. So I'm over here trying to find a toy for Leandre because I'm going to see him today, and today he is 5 months. So I'm trying to find something that he can play with at the hospital that he might want to play with. I don't know, but there are a few things. So trying to see what they got because I think he also wants to put some in his mouth because he like to put everything in his mouth. So I'm trying to see if they have any good toys that like help. Maybe he might be teething or something because he stays trying to put something in his mouth. So I'm trying to see if they have something for that would be good for him. So I don't know. They got all kind of stuff. I'm like, what should I get him? I don't know, but I'm gonna get him something. Thinking about getting him this, cause that's not bad for $20. I mean, I know I'm gonna get him from this, but for home when he comes home, cause that's not bad with all the stuff, 5 toys and all that stuff that it comes with. That's not a bad price. So I might get that, but I decided that a blanket because if I get him a toy and like the nurses is not in the room to watch him 24/7, so I feel like I don't want him to choke or anything like that. So I'm gonna just get him a blanket because I know he would like that because he loves blankets. So we're just gonna do that. So y'all, I just made it to the hospital. That hour ride, y'all got his bathroom. I gotta head next to the bathroom because it has to be. And you gotta check in before you can even use the bathroom. So y'all, I made it. I checked in. I'm about to go to the floor that he's on. And then I'm gonna use the bathroom because that hour ride and that coffee, I got to go. Look at my shirt, y'all. Y'all peep it out. It's for my boy. Yes. So, come on. Scared of elevators. Come on here. Let me out of here. No, we ain't trying to get stuck. Ain't trying to get stuck nowhere. So, I made it up to his room, but right now he's sleeping. So, I'm not gonna make any noise. I'm gonna wake him up. Just gonna let him wake up when he wake up. So just let him get his rest because that's what he need. He need his rest to recover. So, but yes, I'm in here with my boy. I might let y'all have a little peek at him. I might let y'all take a little peek of him. Look, Bubba is sleeping, but he's moving because he's not very comfortable. So y'all, he is woke now. Like I told he be taking them little cat naps and stuff. He still be doing that stuff even if he not at home. He doing them cat naps. And then he just a chilling. They want his hands bundled up, but he keep on taking his hand out because he want his hands in his mouth. But he pulling the nasal thing out of his nose. He doing too much, y'all. He doing too much. Look at him. He moving like crazy now. But boy, you gotta keep that thing in your nose, man. We can't be doing that. Or else they gonna have to wrap your arms back up. Cause you being hard headed. Yes, he being hard headed, y'all. Terrible. Terrible. So yeah, I was starving and cause I haven't ate since I haven't eaten no breakfast at all, and it's 1 o'clock, so I'm hungry now. So I got me this type of salad. I don't know, it's not cereal salad. I don't know. I got this food from downstairs and it's good. It be hitting, so it's gonna be hitting the spot today, honey. That noise you hear is just beeping, but it's beeping because he's over his saturation limit. It's supposed to be 75 to 85, his O2 saturations. So it's going over that. I mean, that's a good thing, I guess. Not a bad thing, but that's all that is. So y'all, got my salad, whatever. I got my life water. And I'm about to crush my food because I'm hungry. And y'all, it's so good, but I don't know why they didn't mix the dressing in there like they normally do. I order from a kiosk and then you gotta go pick it up. And that ranch with that chipotle vinaigrette. They be hitting every time with some roasted vegetables in here too. Be hitting. Yesterday I went on a date by myself. Today I'm having a date with my son. Even though he's asleep. And so I'm about to tear my food up because I'm starving. I wish I brought my tripod so y'all can see. But then after 22, almost, I said 22. I haven't held him since December 22nd. And I'm so happy that I was able to hold him today. Like, so happy. Y'all, he is knocked out now. But I'm so happy I was able to hold him today. Yes, you don't know how I feel on the inside. Like, it's just a great feeling. Great feeling. So y'all, I spent about 6 hours with him. And I'm headed home. It's currently about to be 5. And so by the time I get home, it's gonna be like an hour, 15, 20 minutes to get home. So, yeah. So we're on the way home now. But it was a great visit, a great time, as always. And he's getting better and better by the day. Look at the view. Seeing these cars and stuff. But yeah, on the way to the car. So y'all, hopefully he on the right track. He hit it, like, recovering wise, he on the right track. So hopefully he will be able to get out of here within there. Like they told me, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, they estimating 2 to 3 more weeks for him being here, but it also depends on him. But as of right now, he going in the right direction. He getting better, and his lung, like I said, his lung is 80% better. So that's a blessing. Like, he is a miracle. Like, he is strong. He a fighter. He is a fighter. That flame that God lit in him when he was born, Lord, it's burning. That thing firing up. But yeah, he doing real good. So I'm just thankful for that. So if everything goes well, he could be home within 2 to 3 weeks. So they're gonna start getting stuff in order. Like, he was on medicine at home anyway, but he not gonna be on as much medicine, and some of the medicine is different. So they gotta get that in order. They gotta get it in order for for like PT and speech and all that stuff to come to our house, or we to go to or us to go to them to get him on the right track. Like, he hasn't done any tummy time, like normal stuff that a 5-month-old baby should be doing. I mean, he's doing some, but he's not. I mean, he'll turn over to his side and stuff like that, but I guess they want to start working on his strength and his neck, so he can be able to like can hold himself up, and you know what I'm saying, like that. So it's just certain stuff they got to work with him on so he don't fall too far behind. So, and y'all, he turned his gums up, so I think some teeth might be coming, because I looked and it looked like it. So I think that's why he always turn his gums up, because the teeth is coming, you feel me? But y'all, I'm about to turn on my Toonie Tunes as always and vibe in my ride for my long ass ride home. But yes, I'm about to blast my tunes because I'm tired. I'm sleepy. Like I'm sleepy as hell. I was like, oh, but I ain't trying to stay up here because I'm gonna get stuck in the snow, and it's just too much. It's just too much right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, blast my tunes and get down this road. Y'all don't mind my nail. I don't mind it.